Walmart calls it the latest high-tech way to keep track of its inventory, but others say it could allow the store to spy on people who buy their clothes there.
Money editor John Delano got to the bottom of what this is all about. He joins us live with more. John?
Well, Christine, this is a case where there's a bit of truth in both what Walmart says and those who have raised concerns. After reports first surfaced that Walmart was putting an electronic chip in some of its clothing items, the company moved quickly today to allay concerns that they were spying on anybody. But it's clear that Walmart customers are not happy about this latest advance in technology. It's called an EPC, or Electronic Product Code. And Walmart says it's a sophisticated inventory management tool to track the clothes it sells. But privacy advocates say unless the customer removes the tag on their own, Walmart could determine the location of your clothes even after you leave the store.
You have your problems with your identity theft and, people get into your personal business. Now they're going to track your clothes. No, I'm sorry. I don't feel comfortable with that at all.
It's a common reaction from most Walmart customers.
Nah, I don't like that idea whatsoever. Absolutely not. That's pretty much Big Brother.
That is just invading people's privacy.
Walmart wouldn't let us in their store to shoot some pictures, so I went in and bought some of the products that are likely to have the EPC, or so-called smart tag. Products like jeans, or how about some underwear? Or even a lady's camisole. Walmart says the EPC will help stores know when items are running low on their shelves. And customers can always remove the tag later on. But it's a removable tag. Does that make it better?
No, no. It's just easier if you can come and buy whatever you need and leave, not have to worry about taking a tag off.
Ben Peters buys jeans at Walmart, and he says he has no problem with the smart tag up to a point.
I don't know if they want to track me. As long as they're not transmitting something into my body, I don't really care.
Well, do you think they should know where your underwear is?
Probably not my underwear.
Again, Walmart insists that it doesn't really care where its products go after it leaves the store. A spokesman told me clothing with the chip will be clearly labeled so customers can remove it, and they've asked their suppliers not to embed the chip in the clothing.